Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw funds from a Kraken to your bank account. First thing I want you to do is just log in to Kraken, and here from your dashboard you'll see your portfolio value. So if you have anything in crypto assets you need to sell first, go ahead and sell that. Come here, click on sell, choose the crypto that you want to sell, how much you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell 100% of it. You can choose max as well. Select your asset, right? To choose how much you want to sell. Let's do 75%, like $10. And then you can hit review and sell. So click on confirm, and once you've successfully sold it, you can close this. Okay, now here on your portfolio you'll see your cash as well, so you can see this much Canadian dollars. You can tap on that and you can withdraw it as well from the left hand panel. Click on transfer, hit withdraw, and then change the asset. So you choose your fiat amount, so Canadian dollars, and then you choose your method that you want to withdraw with. So you choose right here. Let's do paper, the Interact e-transfer, and then you can choose how much you want to withdraw. Let's say 100% of it. Click on continue and just confirm your withdrawal. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.